We're nearly there.
We're about to go to the vet, honey.
That was like the smallest human I've ever seen.
You're gonna get your shots today.
You can go to the park.
You're gonna have lots of fun. You'll like it. We're nearly there. It's turning in there now. Hey, we are at the vet, and we are gonna get Honey vaccinated so she can finally go to the park and play fetch with me.
Just waiting for the dog.
I'm gonna get the shots soon.
What are you doing?
Social distancing died for dog and cat people. Honey, those kittens aren't as cute as you. Hey, honey.
Good job. You got through one. Just what did you get a needle?
These are the second vaccine?
Yeah, the second lot of shots. She was a little scared in the car.
Good heart rate.
Yeah. She's very
Brave.
She's very brave and very healthy.
Oh, honey, you slipped. You slipped. Did you
I
slip?
know you don't like getting touched in the face.
Did you slip? It's okay, hon.
The cat came inside.
Squeeze.
Close the door. It's okay, sweetheart. You're right. Oh, good girl, darling. You're okay.
Good girl. You're so brave. You're so brave.
You got a card for me to sign for
She
that?
just got her shot.
Did you already get my needle?
Good girl.
Come on.
So brave.
You missed it.
Honey. Oh, you're brave, honey. You're brave. No, don't escape. Come on, stay there.
You're gonna have to hold her again like that, Tom.
Don't worry, honey. You're just getting your nails clipped now.
Wait, didn't it used to be like a green one?
Years ago.
There used to be another
Did you
one.
ask Dr. Dickins's house ago?
Didn't you know Dr. Dick? Is this what he's for?
Give the other dog. Just don't touch it because she can have a rubber face and you'll get it.
Imagine putting a Labrador.
Yeah, there's one outside, so we can.
Hello? Like, bears just saying.
Honey,
It's okay,
It's
honey.
okay, honey. Don't cry. Just getting your nails clipped. Your little scratchy nails.
tell us to
Back ones. These ones are usually around that.
Honey, you're super brave. You got your nails clipped and you got a needle. Wow.
So scared.
So brave.